Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer, where real classic motorcycles for sale meet real-world prices across the United States. Number 1. 1973 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FXE, $4,900, Lake Forest, Illinois. This 1973 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FXE represents a true slice of early Superglide history, blending factory muscle with period-correct custom attitude. Powered by the iconic Shovelhead V-twin and paired with a ratchet-top transmission, this bike delivers the raw mechanical feel many riders chase today. The slight neck rake and 6-over tubes reflect modifications done back in the day, adding vintage chopper character without sacrificing rideability. With a new battery, it runs and drives as it should, making it a usable classic rather than a static display. Ownership history matters here, as it was purchased from a long-term owner of more than 3 decades. A clean title in hand adds peace of mind, and the price places this Shovelhead firmly within reach for collectors or riders wanting an authentic Harley-Davidson experience. Number 2. 1983 Honda Goldwing Custom, $5,500, Ocean Grove, New Jersey. This 1983 Honda Goldwing GL 1100 has been completely reimagined into a striking cafe racer and brat-style custom, shedding its touring roots for a lean, mechanical presence. The liquid-cooled 1085cc flat-4 engine remains the heart of the machine, now fully exposed and visually emphasized. Finished in deep green with gold accents, the tank and side covers complement the vintage Honda aesthetic perfectly. A custom diamond-stitched leather seat reshapes the profile, giving it a shorter, more aggressive stance. With all original fairings and luggage removed, the bike feels lighter and more purposeful while retaining the smooth power delivery Goldwings are known for. This is a well-executed transformation that blends reliability, performance, and custom style into a unique classic that stands apart from stock examples. Number 3. 1968 Norton 750 Commando Fastback, $6,000, Hagerstown, Maryland. This 1968 Norton 750 Commando Fastback is a rare time capsule example with just over 6,100 miles showing, retaining much of its original character. Purchased new in England and later brought to the United States, it was used sparingly before being parked indoors for decades by its original owner. The bike has since been carefully recommissioned, receiving fresh fork oil, new gaiters, and a battery to ensure proper operation. It starts, runs, and shifts well, preserving the legendary riding feel of the early Commando platform. The Fastback design remains one of the most distinctive Norton silhouettes, combining performance with unmistakable British style. With documentation, extras, and a Maryland title, this example offers both historical significance and usability for collectors seeking authenticity. Number 4. 1973 Suzuki GT185 Adventurer, $3,895, Thaxton, Virginia. The 1973 Suzuki GT185 Adventurer is a beautifully preserved example of early two-stroke engineering, presented here in factory original condition. Featuring a twin-cylinder, air-cooled two-stroke engine with Suzuki's Ram Air system, this lightweight classic delivers lively performance and an unmistakable exhaust note. Importantly, this motorcycle has not been restored, allowing its originality to shine through in every detail. It starts, runs, and shifts perfectly, a rare claim for a machine of this age. The GT185 was designed as a versatile all-rounder, capable on back roads and light trails alike. Its excellent condition and originality make it especially appealing to collectors who value authenticity over cosmetic refurbishment. Firmly priced, this Suzuki stands as a well-preserved survivor from Japan's golden two-stroke era. Number 5. 1979 BMW R65 $5,000. Asheville, North Carolina. This 1979 BMW R65 Airhead is an exceptionally clean and well-maintained example of BMW's compact boxer lineup. With 43,500 original miles, it spent much of its life garage-kept in California, benefiting from a dry climate and consistent care. The 650cc Boxer Twin delivers smooth, balanced power, making the R65 an approachable and enjoyable classic to ride. Thoughtful upgrades, including a Dyna electronic ignition and progressive rear suspension, enhance reliability while preserving originality. Recent carburetor and valve adjustments ensure it runs as intended. Known for their durability and timeless design, Airhead BMWs remain highly sought after. This R65 strikes an ideal balance between collectability and usability, offering vintage charm with everyday ride potential. Number 6. 1975 Yamaha RD350 3950, Charleston, South Carolina. The Yamaha RD350 is widely regarded as one of the greatest two-stroke motorcycles ever produced, and this 1975 example showcases why. Recently refreshed with a new top end featuring Weissaco pistons, rebuilt oil pump, and fully rebuilt carburetors using genuine Japanese components, it starts and runs strong. A new battery, seat cover, and refreshed cosmetics help maintain its sharp appearance, while period-correct decals complete the look. The lightweight chassis and punchy twin-cylinder engine deliver thrilling acceleration that defined an era. While the front brake master cylinder needs attention and the original tires show age, the bike remains a highly desirable performance classic. For riders seeking authentic two-stroke excitement, the RD350 remains an icon. Number 7. 1972 Triumph T120V Bonneville, $5,500, Langhorne, Pennsylvania. This 1972 Triumph T120V Bonneville represents a landmark year in British motorcycle history as the first Bonneville equipped with a 5-speed transmission. Featuring the oil and frame design and 649cc parallel twin, it delivers strong performance paired with improved highway usability. This example has been meticulously cared for, always garaged and kept in a private collection. Chrome and paint remain excellent, and the bike shows only 150 miles on the speedometer since recommissioning. With rebuilt carburetors, new petcocks, and a fresh battery, it runs as it should. As the final year for the 650cc Bonneville before the transition to the 750cc T140, this model holds special appeal for collectors and riders alike. Number 8. 1976 Kawasaki KZ, $8,700, Anderson, Indiana. This 1976 Kawasaki KZ stands as a powerful reminder of the muscle bike era, when Japanese manufacturers dominated performance charts. Known for strong inline-4 engines and robust construction, the KZ series earned a reputation for speed and durability. This example runs perfectly and has accumulated just over 23,600 miles, indicating regular use without excessive wear. Finished in classic green, it retains a commanding road presence that enthusiasts immediately recognize. While details are sparse, knowledgeable riders understand the value of a well-running KZ from this era. With clean mechanical operation and strong collector interest, this Kawasaki offers both investment potential and the unmistakable thrill of vintage inline-four power. Number 9. 1966 BSA Thunderbolt, $4,500, Mansfield, Ohio. The 1966 BSA Thunderbolt is a quintessential British single-carb twin known for its smooth torque delivery and classic styling. This example was running and riding a few years ago and is offered by only its second owner, adding to its appeal. Finished in blue, it reflects the understated elegance BSA was known for during the 1960s. The Thunderbolt's 650cc engine provides relaxed cruising and mechanical simplicity, making it approachable for vintage ownership. With time and recommissioning, this bike could easily return to regular road use. Offered at a negotiable price, it presents an opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a traditional British motorcycle with strong heritage and enduring charm. Number 10. 1953 Moto Guzzi Airone, $9,950, Asbury Park, New Jersey. This 1953 Moto Guzzi Airone is a beautifully restored example of Italian engineering from the post-war era. Known for its elegant design and robust single-cylinder engine, the Airone blends performance with mechanical refinement. This example looks and runs excellent, reflecting careful restoration work that respects the original design. Finished in red, it commands attention with its distinctive horizontal cylinder layout and timeless proportions. Moto Guzzi's racing heritage is evident in the Airone's engineering, making it both historically significant and visually striking. As a rarer Italian classic, this motorcycle appeals to serious collectors seeking something beyond the more common British and American offerings. Number 11. 1958 Triumph T110, $9,250, Lenoir City, Tennessee. The 1958 Triumph T110 was one of the fastest production motorcycles of its time, and this example remains in very good condition. Featuring a 650cc parallel twin, it offers strong performance paired with classic British styling. This bike starts easily, runs smoothly, and benefits from a nearly new carburetor and low-mileage tires. The paint presents very well, reflecting careful ownership over the years. As a pre-unit Triumph, the T110 holds special significance among collectors, bridging the gap between early post-war designs and later performance-focused models. For those seeking a high-quality British classic with strong historical credentials, this Triumph is a compelling option. Number 12. 1981 Yamaha XS650, $3,400, Martinsburg, West Virginia. This 1981 Yamaha XS650 is a standout example of one of Japan's most beloved classic twins. Known for reliability and a strong aftermarket, the XS650 remains popular with riders and collectors alike. This bike is fully serviced, featuring rebuilt carburetors, a new battery, and extensive new chrome throughout. It is road-ready and requires nothing to enjoy immediately. Finished in blue, it maintains a classic look while benefiting from modern maintenance. With a clear Maryland title and solid mechanical condition, this XS650 represents excellent value for anyone seeking a dependable vintage motorcycle with timeless appeal. Number 13. 1959 BSA Catalina Gold Star, $14,000, Thornville, Ohio. The 1959 BSA Catalina Gold Star is one of the most desirable British performance motorcycles ever produced. Featuring a 500cc single-cylinder engine and factory racing heritage, it was designed for speed and competition. This example retains original paint on the tank and starts and runs well, preserving its authenticity. Equipped with a magneto dynamo, it reflects period-correct engineering, and lighting can be added if desired. With unknown mileage, as many were built without speedometers, condition and originality take precedence. As a true collector-grade machine, the Gold Star continues to command strong interest and appreciation among serious enthusiasts worldwide. Number 14. 1972 Bultaco Alpina, $2,500, Plymouth, Michigan. This 1972 Bultaco Alpina is a classic Spanish dual-purpose motorcycle, blending off-road capability with vintage charm. Designed for trail riding and light adventure use, the Alpina features a lightweight chassis and responsive two-stroke engine. This example is in better than good condition for its age and benefits from a new original equipment carburetor. It runs and drives great, making it suitable for vintage trail events or casual riding. While it does not have a Michigan vehicle title, it includes a valid bill of sale. For collectors of European off-road machines, the Alpina represents a unique and increasingly hard-to-find classic. Number 15. 1982 Honda GL500, $800, Indianapolis, Indiana. The 1982 Honda GL500 offers an affordable entry into classic motorcycle ownership with plenty of potential. Featuring a liquid-cooled V-twin engine, it delivers smooth power and dependable engineering. This example has rebuilt carburetors and a clean gas tank, though it requires attention to the clutch and front brake master cylinder. With 10,651 miles and a clean Indiana title, it remains a solid project or customization platform. Often transformed into cafe racers or scramblers, the GL500's versatility makes it popular among builders. At this price point, it presents excellent value for anyone seeking a hands-on classic motorcycle experience. If you enjoy real classic motorcycle finds like these, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Moto Market Explorer for more daily listings and hidden gems.